Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we are blessed to be here at Al Furqan Center in Belmont, Perth, Western Australia. And what a beautiful center, what a beautiful setup, mashallah. A big center, a big warehouse. This is a place which can be an Islamic center, a one-stop Islamic center for brothers and sisters to come and pray and play and enjoy their time. And alhamdulillah, I'm honored to be the first person to deliver Salat al-Jum'ah here today. And inshallah, we want this center to grow. I want this center to be one of many. And we need your support. We need you to dig deep and support your brothers and sisters here at Al Furqan Center. This is an amazing place, a big warehouse, big car park in the hub of an area where there's a lot of Muslims. And inshallah, we need you all to support this. Remember, every single dollar that you invest will never ever go to waste. As the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ made mention, مَا نَقَصَ مَالٌ مِّن صَدَقَةٍ, that your donation will never reduce your wealth. And this is a time for you not only to invest for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal and for the hereafter, but also invest for the current and for the future. It is an amazing setup, an amazing center. A lot of people can benefit from these, Muslims and non-Muslims, in particular the future generations from the Muslim community, our young brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, I've spoken to the organizations here. I've got Sheikh Abdul Rahman, who mashallah been working very hard and tirelessly. He has a vision for him to not only to grow Al Furqan Center, but to grow Islam and Muslims here in Perth and all Australia. So we want you all inshallah to support this project. We want you all to make this project come true. Alhamdulillah, we are nearly there. A bit more support from you inshallah, and we'll find this center inshallah a beacon of da'wah, a hub of da'wah, a light of Islam, and make the dream of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ come true when he said 1,400 years ago, I want Islam to reach everywhere, the way day and night had reached everywhere. And inshallah, this center, Al Furqan Center in Belmont, Perth, will be part of the vision of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and will contribute towards spreading Islam to the east and the west, all around Australia and inshallah all around the world. Jazakumullah khair, and make the dream of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ come true, and support this center, support the brothers and sisters behind this center, and inshallah together we'll make Islam grow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
كلمتان حبيبتان إلى الرحمن خفيفتان على اللسان ثقيلتان في الميزان سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم كلمتان حبيبتان إلى الرحمن خفيفتان على اللسان ثقيلتان في الميزان سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم كلمتان حبيبتان إلى الرحمن خفيفتان على اللسان ثقيلتان في الميزان سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم